Hi everyone, I'm Ava, your fellow learner. Welcome back to Korean Ladder, where we climb one little rung at a time.
안녕하세요. 저는 하나예요. Hello, I'm Hana. Today we keep your tongue safe before you order.
안녕하세요. 저는 준호예요. I'm Junho. By the end, you can check spice and ask for something milder. No guessing.
Okay, real fear. The menu photo looks amazing, but Korean food can be seriously spicy. What if I order something that burns my whole mouth?
그게 제일 흔한 걱정이에요. That's the most common worry. And the fix is tiny. You ask about spice before you say 주세요.
Today's pattern is a spice check. 4 lines. 이거 매워요? 안 매워요? 안 매운 거 있어요? And 조금만 매워요. Point. Check. Then choose.
핵심은 간단해요. The key is simple. Don't guess from the photo. Point at the dish and ask in Korean.
First sentence. Listen. 이거 매워요? Let's break it apart.
이거는 this thing이에요. In English, 이거 means this, the dish you're pointing at on the menu.
매워요 comes from 맵다, to be spicy. In polite speech, it becomes 매워요. So 이거 매워요 means, is this spicy?
So, if I point at the kimchi stew photo and say, 이거 매워요, I'm asking about that exact dish?
맞아요. Yes, 이거 locks the question to the thing you point at. No dish name needed.
Next check. 안 매워요? Put on before the verb to negate. You're asking, it's not spicy? Or confirming a mild choice.
안은 부정을 만들어요. In English, 안 means not. So 안 매워요 is not spicy. Rising tone makes it a check question.
Sometimes you can handle a little heat. Ask 조금만 매워요? Is it only a little spicy?
조금만은 only a little이에요. In English, 조금만 means just a little. So you're checking for mild heat. Not zero, not fire.
If nothing looks safe, ask for an option. 안 매운 거 있어요? Do you have something that isn't spicy?
안 매운 is the describing form, not spicy. 거는 thing and 있어요 means is there / do you have. Together, do you have a non-spicy thing?
Wait, so, 안 매워요 checks one dish, but 안 매운 거 있어요 asks if they have any mild option at all.
Exactly. 안 매워요 is about this dish. 안 매운 거 있어요? Opens the whole menu. Got anything mild?
One more survival tip. Point at the menu when you ask. Don't just nod your head when the server talks about spice. Nodding can mean yes, spicy is fine.
If a server asks, 매운 거 괜찮아요? Is spicy okay? A nod means yes. If you want mild, say it. 안 매운 거 있어요.
Let's hear the sound. 매워요 has a soft wo in the middle, not sharp.
And the full ask, 이거 매워요. Rise a little at the end. It's a question. Now a real restaurant moment. Listen to how the spice check fits before ordering.
뭐가 맛있어요?
김치찌개가 맛있어요.
이거 매워요?
네, 좀 매워요.
안 매운 거 있어요?
그럼 계란찜 드세요.
Can I try the first line? I want to sound natural.
Go ahead. Point in your mind at the menu. Then ask. 이거 매워요?
이거 매워요.
좋아요. Clean and clear. Just keep wo soft. 매워요. Not choppy.
One more. The safety net. 안 매운 거 있어요.
Good. Link 매운 거 smoothly. 매운 거. Then 있어요 with a light rise.
I think I know my trap. If the server says spicy is okay, and I just nod to be polite, I just ordered fire, right?
That's the classic English speaker mistake. A nod answers yes. If you want mild, don't nod. say 안 매운 거 있어요.
Another small mix-up. 안 매워요 checks this dish. If you need a different dish, switch to 안 매운 거 있어요. Don't stop at the check if you still need options.
Quiz me.
I want the boundary between the two on lines.
Think carefully. You're not checking one dish anymore. You need another option from the kitchen.
It's B. 안 매운 거 있어요. A only checks if something is not spicy. C asks if it's only a little spicy. B asks whether a non-spicy option exists. Let's lock today's core. Point 1. 이거 매워요. 메뉴를 가리키며 물어보세요. In English, point at the dish and ask, is this spicy?
Point 2. 안 매워요. and 조금만 매워요. 맵기 정도를 확인해요. These check the level. Not spicy or only a little spicy. 그러니까
Point 3. 안 매운 거 있어요. 순한 메뉴를 부탁할 때 써요. In English, this is your request for a non-spicy option.
Point 4. Point. Don't nod. 고개만 끄덕이면 매워도 괜찮다가 될 수 있어요. A nod can mean spicy is fine. So say the mild line out loud.
So before I order, I can point and ask.
이거 매워요.
Then if I need safety,
안 매운 거 있어요.
that actually feels doable.
오늘 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. Remember this one sentence. 안 매운 거 있어요 and you can eat safely almost anywhere.
Next rung, we'll ask the kitchen to dial the heat down. 여러분, 오늘도 수고하셨어요. Great work today.
That's one more rung down. I'm Ava. Ask before it burns, and we'll see you on the next step of Korean Ladder.
안녕히 계세요.